Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found for us today, it's x over 9 plus x over 9 equals 4. And they want to know, hey, what's x? So they gave us 3 solutions to this problem. A lot of students, they have trouble adding this x over 9 plus x over 9, and the denominator is the same, and they kind of forget, hey, how do I do this? Okay, so what I did is I put a couple examples above. Hey, let's go through those, okay? So you can see it and you might say, oh yeah, I can remember this, okay? This is 1/6 plus 2/6. So it says use the pictures to add. So we cut the pie into sixes. So we got 1 piece of pie and we got 2 pieces of pie. How many pieces of pie there's going to be? It's going to be 3. And what's the total quantity of the whole thing? 6. So it's going to be 3/6. So the numerator, you add them, the denominator stays the same. So the answer is 3/6. Square that off, okay? And hey, then I was even lucky enough I found one with 9s, which is what our problem is. So this has 4, it's cut into 9s, the piece of pie, and it has 4 pieces off each pie. So how many pieces were gone? So we get 4 and 4, it's 8. 8 pieces. Whoop, pens. There it is, 8 pieces over 9. And that's the answer. So the numerator, you added those two, and the denominator stays the same. So hey, let's go down to our problem here. Okay, so we got x, which is really 1x, remember? Put a 1 in front of this, doesn't change it. Okay, so we got 1x plus 1x over 9 over 9. So that's 2x. So it's going to be 2x over 9, denominator stays the same, equals 4. Now, we got to get x by itself to solve x, okay? How do we do that? This is 2x divided by 9, so what's the opposite of division? Multiplication. Hey, so let's multiply both sides by 9. We multiply that side by 9, we multiply this side by 9, okay? So, these two cross each other out. We carry down, we got 2x equals 9 times 4 is 36. We still have to get the x by itself. So this is 2 times x. So what's the opposite of times? Division, okay? So we divide both sides. What we do to one side, we got to do to the other side. We divide by 2, okay? These two cross each other out. The x comes down. 36 divided by 2 is 18. And hey, look at that. Answer C is 18. So we square this all off, and that's our answer, okay? And that was all there was to it. So if you see a problem like this, you can say, oh, I can solve this in 2 seconds. Just remember the piece of pie above. If you got the cut into 6th, you take 1 and 1 pie and 2 and another. How many pieces did you use? You used, it's 3, okay? 3/6. And maybe that'll help you remember how to do this, because really you can solve this real fast and move on to the next problem in the test, okay? And as you see, I wrote nice and neat, so that way I can go back at the end of the test and go over all my work. Hey, is, 4 times 9, 36? Yes, it is, okay? So I can double check everything, just to make sure I didn't make some silly mistake, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, recommend this channel to your friends or any mathematical students that are in school. Maybe this will help them get better test scores, and that's what it's all about, them getting better grades, okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.